What's your good name?
Arun anta sir.
You are from which place?
Hassan sir.
Hassan. Okay. What is your profession?
Sir, I'm a movie director sir.
Movie director. Very good. It's a pleasure to meet you.
Thank you sir.
You tell me that how the Miracle Drinks treatment protocol helped to your sister.
Sir, my sister, she was paralyzed on about 6 months earlier, sir.
6 months means in
6
which
months
month?
In April, I think.
April 2022.
22.
Oh, when you have started Miracle Drinks treatment protocol?
About on May.
May.
Sir.
That means
she
after.
She discharged from the hospital. She got some Ayurvedic treatment and all. After that, we started Miracle, sir.
Miracle Drinks treatment. Okay. So.
From that, when she started to drink Miracle, after some 15 days, I think 15-20 days, she was able to lift her hand and she was able to walk alone. And without any support, she started to walk, sir. And that was actually it's a miracle. It's a miracle itself. And now she's almost 90% she's cured, sir.
Okay.
She's taking from since 3 months, I think. She's in miracle treatment, and she's 90%. It's almost she's clear.
Wonderful, great.
She was working in Union Bank, sir, and I think in about in 1 month she's she's going to
join the bank again.
Yes, yes.
Very good. How old she is?
Sir,
she is
age, sir. 38, sir.
What is her name?
Ashwini.
Ashwini.
Yeah.
They are from Hassan district.
Sir, Hassan district. Sir.
That's been Karnataka, India.
But she's staying in Mysore.
Mysore.
She's working. She's also working in Mysore.
How actually you feel that the changes after taking the Miracle Drinks treatment protocol?
Sir, it's. I told no, sir. It's really a miracle, sir.
That means the entire, body is getting,
active, sir.
Active. Actually, it works at the level of the capillaries and microcapillaries. Because in the existing medical science, up to arteries, it works. Up to arteries, they can do various things, stent and bypass and etc. But once it goes to capillary level, capillaries cannot be seen. Capillaries like a pipes for sending the food to the cell and again taking back the toxins and the carbon dioxide. So that level it works.
Lastly, I thank to Miracle Drink.
Okay.
And it's wonderful for everyone, I think.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Because across the globe, our treatment is taking.
Thank you. It's really a miracle. It's miracle itself.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
ಹೃದ್ರೋಗ, ಸಕ್ಕರೆ ಕಾಯಿಲೆ, ವೆರಿಕೋಸ್ ವೇನ್ಸ್, ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್, ಗೈನ್ಯಾಕ್, ಲಿವರ್, ಕಿಡ್ನಿ, ಮೆದುಳು ಮುಂತಾದ 170ಕ್ಕೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಗಂಭೀರ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಈಗಿದೆ ನವ್ಯ ಆಯುರ್ವೇದದ ಪರಿಹಾರ. ಮಿರಕಲ್ ಡ್ರಿಂಕ್ಸ್. ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಮಾಹಿತಿಗಾಗಿ ಹಿಂದೆ ಕರೆ ನೀಡಿ. ಮಿರಕಲ್ ಡ್ರಿಂಕ್ಸ್. ಬಿ ಹೆಲ್ದಿ ಅಗೇನ್.